All right, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Here we are with ticker symbol GEVO, Gevo Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to first-time viewers and investors. Hope you guys find this informative and helpful. That to the point where you guys will be encouraged and inclined to subscribe. And if you guys do, don't forget to click on the bell so you guys can go ahead and not miss out on a single video and be updated on my daily videos. Hope it means you all well. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers for their support, their recognition for my efforts, and also engaging in conversations down below and piggybacking off of what I state to help other viewers and investors be well informed as well. The more information for investors, the better it is to go ahead and have everybody well equipped to make their own rational decisions when either wanting to buy or jump into this chart or sell, depending on what the position they have or what their rational decisions are inclining them to do. So I really appreciate that from you all. The integrity, the honesty, and the transparency so that we can all learn and grow together and maximize profits and minimize losses. Let's jump into this chart. So I already went ahead and I put these support level and resistance levels in their locations. This closed out at 202. If the bullish run wants to continue, the bulls are going to have to break through $2.10. If they can break through that and use it as support, they could be on their way to hitting newer highs. If this gets tested and turned into a support and they start to work their way up, they're going to want to break through 217. That's the highest point this stock reached, and it got rejected from there. But this momentum came back from the bulls. They reached a high, and then it got rejected from there, and it closed out at 202. 210 gets crossed, which is an 8-cent difference. Their next goal is 217. If 217 gets broken through and used as support, this could then have a breakthrough where the bulls are going to continue to rally up and break through new resistance levels. On the other spectrum of things, the bears are going to want to try to do this, and they're going to want to cross 156. If the bears can break through 156, they have not gained control and they're not dominating this. They're just bringing this closer down to the 50-day moving average, which shows that they are on their way to gain control, but does not mean they have control. Because if this support gets broken through, I keep a very close eye on it because of how volatile this was. But you also want to keep in mind that there are bulls that are interested in gaining more positions and averaging their costs or just obtaining more shares at a discount, and they can bring this up. Even if the bears brought this down, they can load up on stocks and bring it back up. So you want to see the behavior after it crosses the support. If it does, how quickly is it falling, or is it leveling off there, and are the bulls trying to reappear to bring it back up? You want to keep that in mind. But I'd keep a very close eye on it if support is broken through. Another point that you might want to have here on a more zoomed out level is 139. That's the lowest point after this bullish run and falling throughout the day. 139 is another support, and it is a support to really keep an eye on if your positions are anywhere up here, because now it could be on its way closer to the 50-day moving average, which the 50-day moving average is 97 cents. That's still a little bit far off, but remember, the volatileness of this stock was tremendous. Volatility was, I mean, impressively large. I mean, it went from 56 cents to $2.17. That's about four times the initial price in the morning. That's a lot of volatility. So keep that in mind. 139 there, I would really emphasize for you guys to keep a very close eye on this and make a rational decision based off of your positions. With that said, just keep in mind the resistance level, support, and the 50-day moving average, and you guys should be well equipped for tomorrow to see how this plays out. We'll see if the bulls can continue this momentum in an upward trend, because they did recover from here and started to work their way up. Let's see if they continue that. If you guys learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. and share this with your friends and community. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.